What's up, YouTube? Today, fuck, I don't know where to put this. Changing the spark plug, not plug, on my girl's Cadillac 2011 CTS 3.6 direct injected motor. This side, fuck, come on. There's one right there. I might take this little cross brace thing off. One right there. And then like, I can't really angle it right there. Another one right there. Pretty easy to get off. You don't have to take this off. Don't go to the dealership, have them pay or charge $400 or $500 fucking dollars. For this, what you can do is take that, fuck, it's hard to show. Take that bolt off right there and move it, cause then it should come straight out. But I'm gonna get out all the sizes and everything right now, so I'll be back with that. Alright, so what you wanna do, 2 bolts on that side, 2 bolts on that side, both 18s, just take an 18. Comes right up. Makes it a lot easier to move it, you know, more room in the compartment and everything. Or the fucking, I don't like to sit here and hassle with fucking small spaces. It's the most annoying thing ever. So I'm gonna take that side off. Come back to you with the size of the bolt right there, and these bolts, I think they look the same. Probably 10s, if I'm guessing. Yeah, I'll come back to you with those real quick though. Yeah, like I said, all of it's just a 10. Take that off. Be careful, don't lose any of these screws, man. Fucking, I've lost screws before and it fucking sucks. But yeah, now you can get to that bolt and maneuver the spark plug socket out of there. Oh, that one too. Oh, that one's already free. That one's, fuck. That one's pretty free too. I don't know. It's the first time doing this. Yeah, so all the bolts are 10s. I already took it off. I haven't taken those 2 off yet. But now this moves freely, get out the way. For this first one, doesn't come straight up. You have to turn to the side, pop straight out after that. See if we can see any oil in there. Pretty clean. That's what you want to see. But yeah, I'm gonna move all this. Get to the bolts. Can't do it with holding one hand and holding the camera in one hand and doing the taking them off with the other. So I'm gonna take them off. If there's a certain way I need to take it out, I'll come back and show you guys. But you get the idea, obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and come back to you when I put them back in. Coming back for a quick update. They all come out easy, especially that one. That was just straight out. This one, you might have to turn like to the side just a little bit just to clear this. Come on, focus, motherfucker. Whatever. But this little, whatever this fucking thing hangs off of, I don't know why it's even there, to be honest. Literally looks like it has no purpose. But yeah, turn just a little bit just to clear that and you're fine. Have them laid out in the order of the cylinders. I don't know what side that is. I think that's 135 or 246, not sure. Keep them laid out the way you took them, you know, 135, 246, whatever. I don't think it matters because I think you can honestly swap them, but just to be sure, keep them in the order you took them out. So I'm about to take the spark plugs out now. I actually have a spark plug socket in my little snap on set. This one right here. So I'm about to use this, get them out. I use impact for everything. Do not use impact to take out the spark plugs, because if you break them in your head, you're probably fucked. So literally just use hand tools. I know it fucking sucks, but it's it's whatever. So basically done with this side. I'm gonna take them out, put the new ones in, and go to the other side and show you if there's any difficult spots over there. So yeah. Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering about the spark plug socket size, come on man, focus. You almost there. Oh well, it's a 5/8. 5/8 spark plug socket. Fuck it, it won't focus, but yeah, you understand, whatever. I'm about to show you guys what the before and after is. The reason why I'm doing this is because we threw a code for cylinder 1 misfire, so you know, just replace all of them. Car just hit 100,000. Didn't buy it too long ago, so they say at 100,000 you should replace the OEM ones, but look at that before and after. Goddamn, come on, focus, motherfucker. Oh well, you can clearly see the difference, even if it won't focus. Dude, what the fuck? I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, huge difference. Clearly why I was fucking misfiring. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put these in and come to you guys after. Man, y'all never guess what happened. Literally in the middle of tightening everything back up, putting the second coil in the middle or whatever, fucking this stopped working. Dude, I don't know what it is about fucking Cadillac's little strut fucking things to hold up the hood, but they fucking suck and they always break. So I'm at the get a new one. Fucking literally every single Cadillac I've owned, I've replaced at least 2 on each car. This would be the first one for this one, but just thought I'd let y'all know. So I'm holding it up on my back and I'm doing this side. This side, fairly easy. Literally all you have to do is just, fuck, it's kind of dark. Can you see that? Yeah, see that plug right there? This little elbow is on that, elbow on there. Goes to this, move it out the way. And then this right here goes up to there. Unplug it. There's no clips on any of them. They all just come right out. And then all the spark plug coil packs come out easy. So I'm about to take the spark plugs out, put them back in, and I will come back when I start the car. Alright, I'm putting everything back together, and one thing I didn't notice is before I took that off, I was trying to take this off, and I realized that there's actually tabs right there and right there. I kind of just ripped up on them, said fuck it, I didn't realize it, but it goes back on. Don't make the same mistake I did. I'm about to get a new one of those now. I don't like having shit like that, or try to find one at a junkyard. But put everything back together, and just want to tell you that so you don't make the same mistake. But as soon as I put everything together, I'm gonna start it up with you guys. Well, that's how everything looks put back together. Start it up. Hopefully I didn't fucking forget anything before we die. So it's in the garage. Smoother already. Can already feel it. Before it used to be really bad. You'd feel the shaking right away in the morning and shit. Now it's just nothing. Well, that's it. Really all you need for this job is mainly a 10mm and your 5/8 spark plug socket. If you want to go the extra route, you can get the 18 and take off the track bar thing or whatever the fuck it is, the strut tower mount, and yeah. So that concludes this.